Court don strike out two appeals wey the Senate President Godswill Akpabio file against the suspension of Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan. Welcome, country people, to Sinok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, wetin you dey wait for? Put on your notification button. E go give you alert once we drop any update. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The Court of Appeal for Abuja don strike out two appeals wey the Senate President, Senator Godswill Akpabio, file against the suspension of Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan suspension suit for Abuja High Court. For one unanimous decision, that is to say, all the judges dem agree when they deliver, and na Justices Ama Bakar, Adebukola Banjoko, and Okon Abang. The appellate court can strike out the motions when the date 20th and 25th March 2025. This one follow one former application when they file to withdraw them. The court can award the sum of 100,000 naira for cost to the first respondent, Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan. Additionally, too, the court can order say appeal number CAABJ PRE/ROA/CV/395M/2025 make the deleter. The Senate President don seek multiple relief from the appeal court, and the reliefs dem dey include one order make dem enlarge the time within which e go fit seek leave to appeal the decision of the Federal High Court Abuja. Dem deliver that judgment on 10th March 2025, and na Honorable Justice Obiora Egwatu na deliver am. The second relief na an order when e dey grant leave to appeal against the High Court decision for the same suit. The third relief na an order when e dey extend the time when the appellant go file notice of appeal against the said judgment. The fourth relief na an order when e dey stay further proceedings for the matter pending the determination of im appeal. But because of this withdrawal and the subsequent striking out of the motion, the relief wey the Senate President dey seek, e mean say they don nullify them at that stage. This ruling so, e mark one significant legal win for Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan for her ongoing legal battle when e dey surround her controversial suspension. Wetin be the genesis of this Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan and Senate President multiple lawsuits so? For February 2025, Akpoti-Uduaghan, she alleged on Arise television say the Senate President Godswill Akpabio sexually harassed her on 8th of December 2023. The sexual harassment case e come escalate on 20th February 2025 after she confront Akpabio say e relocate her seat inside the chambers He remove her nameplate, and Akpabio can't deny the allegations. Akpoti-Uduaghan come petition Akpabio on sexual harassment, but her petition dem summarily dismiss am without investigation. Dem cite say na technicality that she signed her petition herself. The head of the Senate Committee on Ethics and Privileges, Senator Neda, he can't describe the petition as dead on arrival. Akpoti-Uduaghan can later represent am with signatures from her constituents, and they can tell am say the committee go look into the matter. On the 6th of March 2025, the report from the Senate Committee on Ethics and Privileges, they can use am to suspend Akpoti-Uduaghan from the Senate for 6 months, say for misconduct. The suspension, e con dey quote a violation of Section 6(1) and 6(2) of the 2023 Standing Orders of the Nigerian Senate, and e con include say she no go enter her office, dem go stop her salary, and dem go withdraw her security. Also, the committee con advise say she go apologize to the Senate President for the sexual harassment allegations. One suggestion wey dem put to vote a number of times for the Senate. Na for there too, one Senator Michael Okpeyemi Bamidele come clarify say the suspension na because of Akpoti-Uduaghan, the way she dey misbehave allegedly, and also she dey refuse to sit for where dem give am make she dey sit, and she dey speak when dem no recognize am to speak. Bamidele say she dey engage for disruptive behaviour, and e dey make abusive remarks against the leadership of the Senate. For follow-up, Akpabio legal team wey Olisa Agbakuba, the former Nigerian Bar Association president, lead, come demand retraction of her allegation. E describe am say e dey clearly false and she no fit support am. Akpabio come dey cite contradiction for Akpoti-Uduaghan timeline, say particularly where she praise Akpabio on social media a day after the alleged incident of sexual harassment take place. Akpoti-Uduaghan, e take her matter go United Nations Forum during the Women in Parliament section for New York, and for her statement, she outlined her allegations and the fact of her subsequent suspension. She insists say she no go apologize for her allegations. She come dey seek international intervention, make dem hold the senator to account, and also the Nigerian Senate. And because of her suspension, many groups come dey call say make dem investigate this matter and make the investigation dey transparent. Dem come dey condemn the suspension, say to suspend her e dey disturbing and disrespectful to her constituents. On April 18, 2025, Akpoti-Uduaghan come report say some armed men dey attack her family home for Obeba Ihima, Kogi State. For statement wey she release through her media team for Abuja, the senator tok say the assailants dem raid and vandalize the residence wey e be say na her grandpapa na get the place before. The attack e occur on April 16, and na security forces Nikon repair that attack. Now so one lawsuit. Now so she file lawsuit. Akpabio go file. The husband file one against Senator Wemboy. Akpabio wife too go file. The lawsuits that they come plenty. That's why they call them multiple. And one of those suits when the Senate President file so. Now he tell the appellate court say they won't withdraw. When the court so in their usual process, they strike them out. Where people they consider say now victory for Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan. Country people, Uduaghan don't win this round. You go say, which type of win be this one? Now strike out, now they strike them out. Well, nobody go fit know. Maybe na strategy for the Senate President legal team. But as it stand now, people they consider am say na victory for Senator Natasha. And so make she enjoy her moment until the next ruling when another court go give for this plenty matter when it all full. Country people, I wanna see this matter.